we're going to do a really nice, calm and relaxing song about seagulls. And I'm going to sing it for you first. Seagull, seagull, stay on the sand. It's never fine weather when you're on the land. Okay, so let me break that down for you. Seagull, seagull, try that. Seagull, seagull, stay on the sand, stay on the sand. Lovely, and that bit together is seagull, seagull, stay on the sand. Have a go. Seagull, seagull, stay on the sand. Lovely. And the next bit is, it's never fine weather. Have a go. It's never fine weather when you're on the land. When you're on the land. Good. Have a listen. It's never fine weather when you're on the land. It's never fine weather when you're on the land. Lovely. Have a listen to those two lines together. Seagull, seagull, stay on the sand. It's never fine weather when you're on the land. Your turn. Seagull, seagull, stay on the sand. It's never fine weather when you're on the land. Lovely. You might get sand and land the wrong way around, like I sometimes do, but don't worry. Then we have the lovely ah line, so have a listen. Ah. The first bit of that goes, because you're probably thinking, oh no, that's too long, but we can do it. The first bit goes, ah. Try it. Ah. And then it's ah. Time, have a listen. Lovely. So the song all the way through, because that's how I've learned it all. Seagull, seagull, stay on the sand. It's never fine weather when you're on the land. Oh, seagull, seagull, stay on the sand. It's never fine weather when you're on the land. Last time through. Oh, seagull, seagull, stay on the sand. It's never fine weather when you're on the land. Lovely. It's really nice just to take a moment, just to be calm and centered. Imagine the seagulls flying over the sea and just have a little moment of peace and quiet to contemplate that.